Hey everyone, planning an international move to or from Austria. One of the most important steps you can take is choosing a reliable moving company. It makes all the difference. I'm from 3 Movers, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to find reputable international movers in Austria. First, check verified reviews and ratings. Trusted platforms like Google Reviews, Trustpilot, or moving-specific sites give insight into real customer experiences. Focus on consistent patterns like how movers handle communication, timelines, and unexpected issues, not just star ratings alone. Next, look for international credentials. A reputable mover should be affiliated with global organizations like FIDI, IAM, or IATA. These affiliations mean the company meets international standards for handling customs, overseas shipping, and sensitive documentation. Then, request a detailed quote and judge communication quality. Reputable movers should provide transparent estimates that clearly outline services, rates, and timelines. If a company is unclear or evasive, that's a red flag. Good communication from the start means a smoother move later. Finally, don't hesitate to ask for references or examples of past international moves similar to yours. Experience with routes to or from Austria, customs handling, and cross-border logistics is invaluable. A company that happily shares references is usually confident in its work. Finding the right international mover in Austria starts with research, reviews, and clear communication. Do that, and you'll be much more confident when moving day arrives. For more expert moving advice, visit 3movers.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for practical relocation tips you can trust.